Welcome to integers. Here's level 1. Here we have negative 3 minus 1, or negative 3 added to negative 1. If the signs are the same, all you have to do is just add and keep the sign, right? It's like owing $3 to one person, owing $1 to somebody else. Altogether, you owe $4, right? Or if the temperature is negative 3 degrees outside and it drops down negative 1, you're down at negative 4 degrees. Or if you walk 3 steps down the stairs and then another step down the stairs, you're now 4 steps down the stairs, right? Okay, the signs are both positive. We just add and keep the sign, right? If you have $1 and you find $12, you have $13. So nothing new there. So that's 3 and 1 is 4. 1 take away 3. Okay, now when the signs are different, okay, it's like you have $1 and you owe $3, right? So after you pay off that $1 that you have, you now only owe $2, so it's negative 2. So the trick for adding numbers with different signs is simply it's like a tug of war between the positive and the negative, and you have to decide which is going to win. It's always going to be the bigger number, and I put that in quotes, right? Not the biggest integer, but like what's bigger, 1 or 3? Well, 3, okay, and 3 is negative, so the negative is going to win. Okay, so you subtract the smaller number in quotes again from the larger, so you subtract the 1 from the 3, that gives you 2, and it's negative, so negative 2. Okay. And here we have 10 and 7, 17. No big deal there. Okay, negative 7, negative 5. They're both negative, so we're going to keep the negative, and we're going to add them together, so that's negative 12. Okay, 12 and 6, 18. Okay, 5 minus 9. The larger is negative, so the answer is going to be negative, and then the difference between 5 and 9 is 4. Okay, 9 take away 7. The larger is positive, so the difference between 9 and 7 is 2. Okay, of course that is just 9 take away 7, sorry, which is 2. 7 plus 10, 17. 1 and 4 is 5. 12 and 9 is 23, 21. Negative 3 and 0. Okay, now here, you have a negative and a positive. Now in this case, the negative is going to win, right? So it's going to be negative, and then the difference between 3 and 0 is still 3. Okay, so negative 3, nothing added to it, still negative 3. Okay, negative 4, negative 9, they're both the same sign, so I'm going to keep the sign and add like that. Okay, 11 and 5, 16. Negative 1, negative 2, they're both the same sign, so I keep the sign and add. Okay, it's like you owe $1 to one person, you owe $2 to someone else, altogether you owe $3. Okay, negative 8 and 9, what's bigger? 9's bigger than 8. 9 is positive, so the positive is going to win. Okay, and the difference between 8 and 9 is 1. Okay, you don't have to put the plus in front of it. Okay, in fact, it really didn't like it. It wanted just to be 1. I'll fix that so it doesn't do that, but there you go. So negative 2 and 9 is going to be the difference between negative 2 and 9 is 7. Now remember, these are fighting. The negative and the positive are fighting, and the positive's bigger, so it wins. Not fighting. Tug of war. It's a lot more fun. Okay, 4 and 4 is 8. And basically that's it. Just if the signs are the same, add them, keep the sign. If the signs are different, subtract, and keep the sign of the bigger. Now here, 10 is bigger than 9. 10 is positive, 9 is negative. So the positive is going to win, so it's going to be 1. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I'll just do a couple more of these. Positive 12 minus 7 is positive 5. And that's it. Have a good night.